Okay, let's talk about topic. Remember that a topic is one or two words that tell us about our book. So, based on what we read and the title of our book, what do you think the topic is? What do you think the topic is? It could be dogs, or dogs that work, or dogs with jobs. Those are all potential topics that this book could be about. Very nice. Okay, let's go to page 5 and 6. I'm going to have to toggle between 5 and 6, so bear with me. I want to know the main idea of pages 5 and 6. Now remember, we can look at our headings, we can look at our pictures, and we can reread words that we see more than once. So let's pay attention to our heading. We're going to do this one together. Our heading, I'm going to highlight it, is Service and Therapy Dogs. Okay, so I know that this section is going to be about service and therapy dogs. Okay, so let's look at our pictures. We notice that this little boy, he's being comforted. There's a vocabulary word, comfort, comforted by the dog. And we see here that this woman, she has a disability. There's a vocabulary word. And she's being helped out by her guide dog. Her guide dog helps her feel around for where she's going since she can't see. So I know that because of these pictures, because of my vocabulary words, and because of my heading, the main idea of this section of these 2 pages is that service and therapy dogs help people feel better and do things that they wouldn't normally be able to do by themselves. Now, I need some supporting details to help support that main idea. So I'm going to get my pen out and I'm going to underline 2 supporting details, 2 sentences that help support my main idea that service and therapy dogs help people do things they can't do by themselves or feel better. So, my first sentence is really important. Many dogs work with people to help them feel better. That is a supporting detail. Okay? Let's look at our next page to see if we can find another supporting detail. Other dogs help people with disabilities. These dogs are called service dogs. Some of these dogs help people who can't see or hear well. I think that is a supporting detail. Some of these dogs help people who can't see or hear well. Oops. That tells me that that is a part of my main idea. That is a supporting detail of my main idea. Now it's your turn to find the main idea and 2 supporting details on pages 8 and 9. So, I want to know, what do you think the main idea of pages 8 and 9 are? Take a look at the heading. I will highlight the heading for you. We don't have any vocabulary words on this page, but take a look at the picture. Take a look at this picture. We know our heading is search and rescue dogs. So what do you think the main idea is? What do they do? Very good. I'm going to underline my main idea. So my main idea is in this first sentence. Some dogs look for people who are lost. And those are called search and rescue dogs. They look for people that are lost. So there's my main idea. Now I need to find 2 supporting details. So I'm going to change colors to green. I want to find a supporting detail on this page. So I'm going to reread. I want you to reread as well on the screen. Put in your brain a supporting detail that supports the main idea that some dogs look for people who are lost, and they're called search and rescue dogs. Very good. One supporting detail is that many search and rescue dogs use their nose to find people who need help, because that's how they find them. They use their noses. Let's see if we can find a supporting detail on this page. Let's reread in your brain. Okay, what do you think is a supporting detail on this page about search and rescue dogs? Very nice. I think the one that I want to underline is these dogs can find lost hikers, and they do that by sniffing the air. So that is a supporting detail. All right, boys and girls, very good job today finding the main idea and supporting details. I will see you guys in a couple of days. Bye bye.